Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is just a very quick unboxing of this TP-Link AC750 travel router. Now I unboxed this outside of Curry's and then I put it on, I filmed it, and then we went to McDonald's and I tried to set it up on the free Wi-Fi, and this video is not that good. The unboxing's okay, but basically I've made another video that I need to edit where I've put it back in its box. I've unboxed it here and I've done a full showing you guys through all the features much more in depth. So that video will be coming out in a couple of weeks, and this video is just pretty much just an unboxing. So yes, come back in 2 weeks if you want to get a more in-depth view on this. And yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be unboxing this TP-Link travel router. It's an AC one. I just bought it for £35 from Curry's, and I'm sat out, well not sat, I'm stood. I'm outside Curry's. I thought we're going to test it, because it's basically you can connect it to public Wi-Fi and use a VPN on it to make it safer rather than using the open Wi-Fi. So I thought while I'm out, I'll just unbox it and we can test it. And I'm here with Madison, isn't it? Look at him drinking his Monster. So I'm going to unbox it, yeah. Okay, so that's made a cut in the plastic, so I can just rip the rest off. I should have probably done this at home, but oh well. Take this off. Oh, what? Look, the plastic's already come off. Oh no, gotta have to send it back now with the 3-year warranty. I think it's, yeah. Wow. And it's got a thing with the Wi-Fi name and password. I think you can change that anyway, but wow. And then there's this bit here. There's a little Ethernet cable. There, it's a flat one. It's got the plug and it's got the cable. I don't know whether this has a battery built into it. If not, I'll just run it off a power bank. Hopefully it does. How do I turn it on? How do I turn it on? Yeah, I think it has to be plugged in. So, power bank. We can plug it into that, and we could just plug it into here, and let's just, hey, it's turned on. So it's on, and there's some different stuff you can do with this. So you can plug it in using the Ethernet cable and just use it as a hardwired access point, or you can use it as a Wi-Fi extender, which is what we're going to try. Or if you have a device that doesn't have Wi-Fi, you can connect this to your Wi-Fi and then plug it in with the cable. Or get a LTE stick and plug it in with USB and use it like that. But I'm going to put the box away, and then I'm going to take it around and try. I'm going to have to set it up, obviously. So I'm in Mackey's now and I've just plugged it into the socket, so let's try and set it up. I think I've got it on the right thing, share hotspot. So thank you guys for watching. Obviously I didn't show you me setting it up. I did get it working, but I didn't know what I was doing. It was a very long screen recording. You could barely hear me over everyone in McDonald's. It was just a mess. So I thought I've done that separate video, so there's no point of you trying to watch that horrible screen recording. Something I didn't talk about in the video is, in the other video that I've made, is I'm actually going to be returning this, since it is pretty good. And it's quite fun to mess around with, but it's 35 quid and I don't need it. So I figure I'm not made of money, I might as well just return it. Because all I actually used it for was a Wi-Fi extender at my dad's house, which it did really well. But I bought this. These are normally £30, but I bought it used on Facebook Marketplace for £5. And it's actually a higher spec than this, so since all I'm using this for is a Wi-Fi extender, I'm not using any of the other features. I thought I'll buy this and I'll keep that at my dad's instead, and I'll just take this back and get my money back. So it's not a bad product, it was just sort of an impulse buy really, But yeah, go check out that other video, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.